No-code AI tools are changing the game for developers like you. Let's dive into what they are and why they matter. Developers don't always have time to reinvent the wheel. And here's the good news: you don't need to. No-code AI tools let you build, automate, and test ideas without writing thousands of lines of code. In this video, I'll share the best no-code AI tools every developer should know about. But first, a quick question. Are you ready to supercharge your coding skills and land that dream developer job? Traditionally, building AI models meant long hours training datasets, setting up infrastructure, and handling endless debugging. But no-code AI changes the game. These platforms let you drag, drop, and connect so you can focus on the logic of your app, not the technical headaches. For developers, this means faster prototyping, quicker MVPs, and more time to innovate. So what are the top no-code AI tools you should have in your toolkit? Tool number 1, Bubble with AI plugins. It's one of the most popular no-code app builders, and with AI plugins, you can integrate GPT-based text generation, image recognition, and automation right into your web app. Tool number 2, Peltarion. This platform is all about training and deploying deep learning models without writing scripts. You can build models visually, test them on your data, and push them to production in just a few clicks. Perfect for developers who want to use advanced AI but skip the heavy coding. Tool number 3, Make. Another powerful tool is Make. It's like Zapier on steroids. It lets you automate workflows with AI integrations. Want AI to summarize Slack messages, generate Jira tickets, or send automated email replies? Make connects everything for you, no extra code required. Tool number 4 is Lobe by Microsoft. This tool is perfect for image recognition tasks. Just drag and drop your images, and Lobe trains a custom model that you can export to your app. If you've ever wanted to add computer vision to your project, this tool saves you weeks of work. Tool number 5 is obviously AI. This tool focuses on data prediction. Upload your dataset, and it builds predictive models in minutes. For developers who want to add forecasting, churn analysis, or sales predictions to their apps, this is one of the fastest ways to do it. And there you have it, 5 fantastic no-code AI tools to boost your productivity and help you deliver even more value. So here's the bottom line. No-code AI tools don't replace developers. They empower you to move faster. Whether you're building apps, testing features, or experimenting with AI, these platforms help you go from idea to execution in record time. Which no-code AI tool would you try first? Drop your pick in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI insights. Thanks for watching and happy coding.